Hello Thomas, hello Eleni, Happy New Year.
Thomas, hello Eleni, Happy New Year. I hope you have a very happy day and stay very healthy. In 2026, my big dream is to have a new school right here. I want a big, beautiful place to learn.
I hope you have the best year ever and dreaming of a big classroom. Thank you for thinking of us. Love you, Thomas and Eleni.
Thomas, hi Eleni. Wish for 2026 everyone to stay healthy. My biggest dream is to see a new school grow here. Here I am standing.
Happy New Year, Thomas and Eleni. Thank you for helping our dream.